Hi, I'm Lexi.
I'm Scarlet.
And together we are Score. And Scarlet has a hiccup, so
I don't know how to get rid of them.
today I, Lexi, am going to be showing you how to get rid of them. Okay. Step 1. You can hold your breath as long as you can and see if they go away.
Okay. Wait, let me wait for the next one. Okay.
I think that's long enough. Okay, let's wait and see. Well, that didn't work. If that doesn't work, there's a bunch of other solutions.
And we're gonna see today which one works
the best. Okay, you can do a headstand like stand on your head. And if you can't do that, you can do it against the wall.
Wait, let me watch.
Okay. And if you can't do that, don't worry, there's much more solutions. Did it work? No. You can also drink water if it doesn't work. Did it work?
Let me finish it.
Okay. You can also drink lemon juice. It doesn't have to be a lot. See? If you could see it.
You're kidding me, right?
No. Just drink it. Did it work?
Let's see.
Yeah, it worked.
I don't have hiccups anymore. Come.
Well, that's a few solutions to get rid of the hiccups.
If you want more solutions, check out next time when I get the hiccups.
And like, comment,
And subscribe.
and give us some ideas for our next video.
For our next videos.
This is Lexi and
Scarlet.
signing out from
Score.